Well, I loaded it up, checked the tires, topped up with gas. I only had to put $3 worth of diesel in. It's probably the least they've ever seen someone put in a pump for diesel. I had it running a couple times, did a trip in town, and thought that maybe I used more gas. So I've driven a half an hour. I'm at Francis, Saskatchewan. Stopped, checked the tires, everything's good. Didn't have to go in the store and buy anything. Grabbed myself something to eat and a drink. Went to the washroom, clean bathroom, and I'm ready for the rest of the adventure. I have just stopped at Indian Head, Saskatchewan. Look at the size of that head compared to my ambulance. Oh my goodness. That is huge. So I was taking Highway 35, and it's really, really rough if you know anything about that highway. So when I hit the number 1, I decided I'm going to go past Katepwa. I'm going to go through Indian Head. So I thought I'd come stop, take a look at this. Yeah, that's big. Wow, look at that gorgeous church. It's a Catholic church, and it's out in, excuse me, Lebret, Saskatchewan. Well, I made it to Good Spirit Lake. I am in the park. I'm at the sewage disposal unit. I am going to empty my porta potty, which is the first time, so that doesn't really thrill me at the idea of it, but we'll see how it goes. And I bought a season pass, $75, so that's going to give me showers and sewage dumping in all the provincial parks throughout the summer. So I'll let you know how the dump went. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. Definitely not my most favorite thing to do, but I had some chemical in there. Only numero uno actually didn't matter at all. So that doesn't scare me. Yay! Now let's go check out the lake. At Good Spirit Lake, which is parked in overflow parking, which is like completely empty. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna take a walk and maybe have a shower. Very clean bathrooms and shower. Yep, that makes this kid happy. Some crispy chicken. This is one of those wonderful things they now have in our parks so that the water is accessible to everyone. Well, I'm on the beach, laying under my umbrella, which kind of looks tropical, although it's plastic, but it makes me happy. Watching the dragonflies, listening to the kids playing in the water. It's pretty nice. The only thing is it feels kind of lonely being here all on my own. But, you know, that's part of this adventure. I have to learn a little bit more about myself, right? So maybe we'll meet some people with Vita. Well, I spent 3 or 4 hours out at the beach, and then I came back and grabbed the mounting tape that I had and put the screen in on the side door. And okay, I'm going to show you how I make coffee. It's super easy. This little guy is butane. I just stick it in there, lock it into place, shut it. And this just turns around and ignites. Except that I must be out. I had this since last year. No, there's still stuff in there. Give it a minute. Oh, there's a little space open in here. That's got to come at the top. I forgot. Okay. There we go. I don't know if you can see that flame. It's hot. So I just have this old camp kettle, which works really well on a fire. And it works really good on this. This I can also use outside. It's portable, really easy. I have my coffee press. I used it earlier, so there's a little bit of coffee grinds in there, and that's okay to reuse them. I tend to use 2 scoops the first time and then just add 1 the next few times. So when this is done boiling, I am just going to pour it into here, let it sit for 5 minutes, press her down, and I have my coffee. Welcome to the prairies. At least around here there's a couple trees, better than there is at home. Fields of gold. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm at my very first 24-hour truck stop. There are rows and rows of vehicles. They all pull in behind each other. I hope nobody pulls behind me and expects me to leave at 6 in the morning. But yeah, this is definitely a new experience. Well, I went in and checked the truck stop. I got a cute little dress on sale for $20, and there's no reading material in there, so later in my journey I definitely have to get a book or something. Today was great. Spent tons of time at the beach. If you can see, a little bit of a burn. It's about 20 after 8 in the evening and I'm at the truck stop, so I'm gonna shut her down, and I have this battery powered fan. Oh, that feels good. Really wishing that I had my solar up already, because my front battery didn't last long enough to keep the little fridge plugged in. And I don't have a way to connect it directly to the back batteries at this point in time, but I'm gonna get that done. I have something I might experiment with later, but otherwise it's been a really great day. I drove quite a bit today, but I mean, once I was done in the sun, really there was no point in just sitting in a campground for the night. Tomorrow I want to go to Manitou Beach, just near Watrous, and that's kind of like the Dead Sea of Saskatchewan. And they have a big float tomorrow, some kind of record-breaking thing they're going to try to do, where they have as many people as they can floating in the lake without any aids, but it's buoyant in that water because it's so salty. So I'm going to go check that out, hopefully join in and be a part of that. And I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. Gonna have to find some free Wi-Fi so that I can upload it, but it should be good. I'll keep in touch with you on this journey. I'm safe, I'm fine. I have 500 kilometers that I've put on, and I'm just between 3/4 and a half a tank of gas, fuel, diesel. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some sleep early so that when these trucks all start rolling in the morning, I'm ready to roll too. Take care.